Shut up, shut up. Oh, na-perk na, hindi na pwede. Shut up, na-perk na tayo. Pag kaya po, pag naka-transition tayo. Three minutes and 11, 83-90. Taiwan to Dexter Marquez! A lot of confidence from the three-point shots. Here comes up by Jumroge. The step back launches for three. Bang! Answer! $86-93, 235. Driving down, shot lock. It's a check. It's an advantage. Unsportsmanlike foul. It's a sportsmanlike foul. 2 shots on the ball. Third team foul. Ilan na si Taiwan? Second personal foul on Taiwan. Maui in Taiwan now will out for 3 minutes. Maui in Taiwan will out for 3 minutes. Maui in Taiwan will out for 3 minutes on a sportsmanlike foul. Maui in Taiwan will out for 3 minutes. Ayan, i-clear ko lamang po. I-clear lang po natin. Kanina si Vic Manuel na unsportsmanlike foul, then he rests for 3 minutes. Also this time for unsportsmanlike foul, also rest for 3 minutes. Okay, unsportsmanlike foul pa rin po yun. Last ball possession. 87-93. 10-second shot clock. That's a 6. CJ released the 3-point shot. Boom! That's only a 3 points. 2 and 10. Okay, number 1. Passing your seatbelt, hold your time from your city because we are now entering to the twilight zone. This is the last 2 minutes. CJ does win on the crossover. Point Vic Manuel. Damaso Manhattan. Let's go. Isang timeout pareho, both teams. Still one more timeout, both teams. Lumagdag ang banglaking number 3 year Valdez. 92-93. 15 seconds. Now outside. Pass back to Dexter. Shanghai. Sanjo recover. That's a ball down. Violation. 3 seconds violation. 1 minute and 33. Just down to making the lead from Agona, 1:33. What a match! 50 down. Isolation kay CJ Del Pino. 10 down. Here comes the screen now for 3. Just hard. Right back number 3. Dexter Marcus. Check. Hey, stop. Congratulations, Barangay Valdez!
Yan! Pinausin, titiraya mo kanina!
56 remaining.
Pinausin!
Prior to the ball game. 56 seconds. Ang dami nag-cheer dito from Balingap Balen na tumayo pa and down na Barangay Valdez. Kayo na. 56 seconds. Ten shot block. Checks down up and on. Will cover by Ryan Reyes. Jason Miller. Jason Miller. Top and gun. There's a jump ball. And from Parma. Parma basketball. 45 seconds. What the game. What a crowd. 45. Still one timeout from the corner, no timeout now for the Liga Belen. One timeout from the corner, no timeout Liga Belen.
Bos.
45 remaining. Ito na naman yung kapit kamay ng Valdez. This is only a two. This is a two-possession ball game. 4 bodies here on the back. King Arthur 10 down. CJ Del Pino 8 down. Del Pino tries to roll now for 3. In and out. Reset. Seconds. Coach Jason. It's a foul. It's a foul on Big Manuel. Second team fouls. Foul on Big Manuel. Second team foul. 6-point lead. 16 seconds. One up. Get back. Second team foul. What a comeback for CJ Del Pino. 16 seconds.